Today we will talk how to create a Windows 10 bootable pen drive to install the window on your computer. To do that, first of all, go to the Google and then find for Windows 10. You will find the first Microsoft link official website. You can click on that and you will land to this page. We want to create bootable pen drive so that we can install Windows on any computer. For that, we need to click on this second link, create Windows 10 installation media. For that, we need to click here, click on download button. It will download media creation tool. Click on that. It will take few minutes to be ready. Wait for that. It will find your USB. Read the agreements and click on accept button. Click on create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file. Then click next. Here we can have an option to select the language, architecture and edition. If you want to change language or any architect, you can click here. Then you can select the language from the drop down. I will go with USA default. You can select edition. I will go with default and click on next. I would like to create bootable USB drive. Click on USB flash drive. Be careful that USB do not have any other data and the capacity of USB should be at least 8 GB. Select your USB drive and click next. It will take few minutes and create the USB flash drive as a bootable pen drive. Wait for the end. Finally, USB flash drive has been created. Now we need to click on finish button and your USB drive is ready to use. You can use this drive to install Windows 10 on your system. Thank you.